Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Tag My College. Okay, so many of you will be searching about the top engineering colleges. So in this video, I'll be covering the top 10 engineering colleges in Mumbai. So here Tag My College brings the list of top 10 engineering colleges ranking in Mumbai based on extensive research parameter. Okay, so when I said about Mumbai, let's just first know about Mumbai first. Mumbai is also known as your Bombay, and the official name until 1995 was Bombay. Later, it got changed to Mumbai, and is the capital city of Indian state of Maharashtra. That is, India is having a state which is known as Maharashtra. It's the capital city of Maharashtra, and the main fact about Mumbai is that it is the most populous city in India, having 18.4 million people. Not to forget, Mumbai has the highest number of billionaires and millionaires among all the cities, and it's the home to some of the Indian scientific and nuclear institutes like BARC, NPCL, IREL, and so on. So this was all about Mumbai. Moving ahead, next we have the entire list of top engineering colleges only in Mumbai. So at the top, as you can see, it's the IIT, and that is the number one, is secured by the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Bombay. That is best known for reputed faculty and the outstanding caliber. I need not have too much say about IIT, as IIT is the big name in itself, and as you can see, it stands at the top of all the colleges in Mumbai. You must have a suitable rank in JEE Advanced in order to get admission in IIT. That is Indian Institute of Technology Bombay requires JEE Mains and JEE Advanced scores in mandatory. So that was the number one. At the number two, we have Dwarka Das J. Sangvani College of Engineering in Mumbai. So it is situated in Vile Parle, west of your Mumbai. Companies like Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, TCS, Oracle, Cape Gemini, etc., like quite famous names, pick their employees, future employees from Dwarka Das. So Dwarka Das College is quite famous for its infrastructure and other facilities. So that was the number two, Dwarka Das College. At number three, we have NMIMS University's Mukesh Patel School of Technology, Management and Engineering. That is, you can say, which is a part of your Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, which is located in Vile Parle, west of your Mumbai. Interesting thing about this Mukesh Patel School of Technology is that it has won the Newton Baba Fund for Higher Education Partnership in order to help deserving candidates in a financial terms. So that was the number three, Mukesh Patel. And at number we have Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, which is an engineering college located in Andheri West and of Mumbai city. And Sardar Patel's names come under the finest college in Mumbai. Library facilities is great, so as your computer labs, and you'll fall in love with the lush green campus which Sardar Patel has. And the fee for the general category is around 3,93,968, which is which is half of what other colleges usually pay. And that was at number fee 4. We have Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, SPIT. Moving ahead, at the number 5, we have Institute of Chemical Technology, or in a formal way, University Department of Chemical Technology. Now this is a research institute located in Matunga of Mumbai city. Interesting thing about this college campus is that the campus has an historical value, and it is well organized. So it is very iconic and best place to get your chemical studies. So that was the number 5, Institute of Chemical Technology in Mumbai. Moving ahead, at number 6, we have Veer Mata Jijabai Technological University, Technological Institute, that is also known as your VGTI. So it is an autonomous institute located in Matunga of Mumbai, and courses are affiliated to University of Mumbai. It's a great place for students to explore opportunities. The placement by this college is quite known, quite famous, as it done by Microsoft, Google, Yahoo, Morgan Stanley, L&T, and etc. That quite big famous names. That was number 6. Moving ahead, we have number 7, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology. Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology is an institute which is affiliated to the University of Mumbai, and this institute is located in Versova in Andheri west of Mumbai. It has a quite peaceful campus with a beautiful auditorium. Apart from the infrastructure, college is quite cooperative with the helpful staff. So that was number 7. Number 8, we have Rizvi College of Engineering. It's quite it's quite a private engineering college located in the Bandra suburb of Mumbai. Scores of JEE mains is valid, or even you can give the Maharashtra board or even the Maharashtra board conducts its own exam, which is MHCET. Maharashtra Common Entrance Exam and Entrance Test. So MHCET score is quite important, even if you missed your JEE mains at the very instance. So that was number 8. Moving ahead, we have Don Bosco Institute of Technology. Don Bosco Institute of Technology is affiliated to Mumbai University, which is situated at Kurla in Mumbai. Apart from the decent and numerous scholarship for meritorious students, Don Bosco provides many opportunities in academics, sports, etc. In fact, fee for this BTech course is 4,62,000 annually. So that was number 9, and moving ahead, at last we have at number 10, that is KC College of Engineering and Management Studies and Research. Okay, KC College of Engineering and Management Studies and Research is located in Thane of Mumbai. And in order to get admission, JEE main score is quite mandatory. Like, even if you missed your JEE mains, don't mess up with your MHCET, which is another exam required. Okay, the best thing about KC College of Engineering is that the students having 50% marks in their 12th are welcome with the open hearts. Like, there's no constraint of percentage while getting the admission. 50% marks or 50% marks people are always welcome by KC College of Engineering and Management Studies. Just that you don't miss any of the exam, whether it's your JEE mains or MHCET. One of the exam is quite important for the KC College of Engineering's admission process. So that was the list of the entire 10 colleges. Let's just summarize. That is IIT Bombay, followed by Dwarka Das, followed by Mukesh Patel of Narsingh Monjee University. Then comes your Sardar Patel. Then comes your Institute of Chemical Technology, followed by your Veer Mata Jijabai and Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, Rizvi College of Engineering, followed by Don Bosco, and at last I have KC College of Engineering and Management Studies and Research. So that was all 10 top names for engineering colleges if you want to go for the Mumbai for the further studies. So thank you for watching the video, guys. To know more about our updates, please do not forget to subscribe us at Tag My College. Bye bye. See you in the next video.